Welcome back for another episode of Zack's Garage. Today we are working on Josie's Granny Mobile. It is a 2008 Chevy Impala. We are doing the transmission fluid since it's never been done. The maintenance manual said do it at 50,000 and do it at 100,000 miles. We believe the 50,000 was skipped, so we are doing it at around 100,000. This will be a little bit different than Kenley's car. The filter is in the pan like most cars I know, but the newer ones I think are moving to that different style. There's also no drain plug, so we are going to make a mess for you to look forward to. I'm Zach, and this is my odd garage. Can you tell us which Harbor Freight special we're working with today?
Nice little flamethrower. Heat up the garage.
Little Bauer unit.
Yep.
Sub $100, pretty good deal. Propane. Oh, I'm freaking toasty. We also learned it's not hot on here, but it's freaking hot there. Joey's behind the camera, I'm over here. We have our transmission pan. There are 20 10mm bolts, and there's no drain plug on this one. So we're going to loosen them all, but we're going to loosen this side more than this side so it can drain out into our pan here, because there is like 9 quarts, 10 quarts, 8 quarts, a lot of quarts of transmission fluid that's going to drain out. All right.
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Pan analysis. We're hit.
I think we're mostly come towards it. Like a raining. Oh yeah.
We're missing. We good?
Quiet.
Good?
We're good so far. Oh, it might be missing over here a little bit.
Okay. Tilt. We missed.
Yep. There, we can move this now.
Take that one off.
This is the filter.
So we got the tranny pan off, and now we have to take the filter out. This big, oddly shaped thing is the filter. Joey's gonna try to work it out.
Whoa.
Huh? Well,
Wire miss. No, I missed it. I moved it.
see there? That's the difference.
Oh yeah.
Here we have our transmission kit from Napa. We have a new gasket. It looks like it's cork. We have a new bushing Joey's trying to get out right now. And we have our new filter as well. We are going to clean all these surfaces underneath, around, so this gasket will go on nicely. We will work to put it back together. Put the new bushing in, we'll put this new filter in, and then we'll put the gasket around and put the pan back up in once we clean it out. We got the pan nice and clean on the inside. We used some brake cleaner. The main part we wanted to get clean is the surface all the way around so the gasket seals up nice and clean. We clean the magnet off as well. The magnet stays there in case any metal shards come. You can pull the pan down and take a look. This just had sludge on it, old oil. There was no metal, so very good. We're going to put this all back together. Okay, so you saw we wiped down all the surfaces of the inside of the pan. Now we wiped down the outside fully, made sure it was clean. So the gasket seals up nice. We'll probably do one more wipe before we put the pan on, but we need to put the bushing in and then the filter, and then we will be good to go. Joey's got a good wipe all the way around. I got the gasket pre-staged on the pan. We're under the hood. Got this beautiful 3500 V6. A lot of power. How much power, Joey?
Decent amount.
Decent? Josie?
What?
Does she go fast?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Got our funnel hooked up. Is it in the hole? Looks like it. Okay. One more time.
7.4 quarts.
Alright, so we're gonna do 7 and then we'll do the 0.4. Crack a cold one with the boys. Only in Zack's on garage. Crack some
Transmission
fluid. The one thing you want to check with tranny fluid is, obviously, if you have a manual or automatic, you're gonna get automatic or manual. So this is ATF. The other thing to check is if you need like anything special, like Dexron or Mercon. This one is Dexron. Yeah. So, Dexron 6. And I think you can see, not really. See, that's a nice red color. We saw earlier we had a lovely brown. No obvious leaks. watching another episode of Zack's Garage. As you saw, we got all the fluid in, so we dropped the car. We're gonna go drive it, warm it up, check the level, see if we need to add any more, and it should be all set. And we'll also see if there's any other problems, but as of now, there's no leaks and we are good to go. Drop a comment below, let me know what you guys want to see. Follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe. Have a great weekend.